Okay, so for this first question, we're going to be doing, we're given a triangle. Second question, we're given kind of a rectangle with half a circle. We define the perimeter and the area of each shape. For the first one here, we're going to find, I just labeled these A, B, and C. We're going to find what this missing side is. I think I might have said angle, but no, I labeled them side A, B, and C. But to find A, it would just be the square root of the hypotenuse, C squared minus B squared. So you put 10 squared in there, subtract 8 squared. That would equal root 36. Now the square root of 36 is 6. So now that we know this last side, we can first find the perimeter. So 6 plus 8 plus 10 is 24 meters. So that's the perimeter. Now the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. It doesn't matter if you choose this to be your base or this to be your base, because either way you're multiplying these two numbers, 8 and 6, okay? But I'm going to choose this to be my base and this to be my height. So 6 times 8 is 48, divided by 2 is 24 meters squared. So my area is 24 meters squared, and my perimeter is 24 meters. Now over here, we have a rectangle, and then we have half a circle on top. Now we know that this part of the circle, also known as diameter, because this is usually what a circle looks like, this is the diameter straight across. Now half of that diameter from the center of the circle to the outskirts is called the radius. So this is radius, and that whole thing is called diameter, that whole line. So you know that diameter would be equal to the side length right here. So the diameter is 6 meters, but the radius would then be 3 meters. So then the circumference of this circle, of the whole circle, will be 2 pi r. 2 times pi, which is given in the question, is 3.1459, and times the radius, which is 3. But we don't want the whole circle. We want half the circle. So we divide that value by 2. So really, we could have just done the circumference in this question would just be pi times r. So I get 9.4377 meters. Now, when I find the perimeter, I just go 2 times the 14, these two sides, plus 6, plus that circumference right there. So I have that punched in here, and I get 43.3 meters. Again, this side plus this side plus this side, plus half the circumference of a whole circle, because you only have half the circle here, is the perimeter of the shape. Now to find the area, I have to find the area of the rectangle, or this part, and then also add that to the area of half a circle. Reminder that the formula for a circle is A equals pi r squared, which is right here. Now, I'm going to divide it by 2 because what I have to do is I have to find half the circle's area. Pi r squared is the area for a full circle, but once again, we're dealing with only half a circle. So I put pi r squared divided by 2, I get 14.16 meters squared. That is only this part of the circle. Now at this part, what I have to do is actually find the area of this rectangle, which is length times width. So I do 6 times 14, which is 84. So I add the two areas. This area plus this area equals 98.1 meters squared.